bigat amin.
Yes po. Ma'am Marisa, kamusta po ngayon? Ano na pong update sa ito nga pong naganap po na shooting incident dyan mismo sa may Stockton, California na kung saan na apat po ang patay agad dito po sa nangyari pong pamamaril po, Ma'am Marisa?
Very sad kasi right now, wala suspect na nahuli pa. So as of right now, sabi niya, no immediate arrest after 3 children were killed and 1 adult was killed yesterday. California, live in California for 20 years, and Stockton, California is playing to visit maraming mga ibigan at tirahan. Stockton, California is one of the high crime areas in California, pero sana ang authority ng California appeal to the public kung mga nakakita, kung may mga video, appeal for this. So sabi nila na they are in search for now. Out of 2 p.m., which is a couple hours ago, California, wala rin. Pero sabi ng spokesperson ng San Joaquin County, other branch, sabi niya na they believe na shooting na ito started. Sabi niya na facial disrespect or the reasons why they targeted, just to sure na hindi karoon ng hindrance sa investigation. So yung mga nakakay, sabi niya na 8, 9, 14-year-old children, 20-year-old adult, and then 11 people now are hospitalized and wounded. So sabi niya na they are really working really hard. Tsaka yung district attorney doon urged the shooter to turn himself in immediately. Pero sabi ni Mayor 60 Fassi na this is unacceptable. Sabi niya na community leaders express anguish over the loss of so many young victims dahil this is a birthday party of 100 people. So hopefully sooner or later, it's either this person will surrender or magaling mag-investigate ang mga pulis ito. Actually, may mga ganitong shooting, right away BIC kasi nilang mga resources is limited pag FI get involved. So I'm hoping na this will amount to some arrest so that there will be an accountability. But this is very sad. This is Christmas. This is a birthday party and Christmas is approaching. Happy December sa inyo. It's still number 30th dito, but it's a very sad situation that there's again another shooting. So this has been very rampant. As my previous reports that there are more guns in America than the entire population. The last time I report, there's like 380 million guns. So there's about 2 to 3 or 4 guns per person. So this is another evidence of such na it's being used for ridiculous violence or nonsense violence.
Yes po. Ma'am Marisa, so ibig sabihin may target po talaga sila. Yung pong mga group of individuals po na yan. At doon mismo sa party. At kanino pong party po ba ito? Binanggit po ninyo, Vice Mayor sa children po, ang may party po niyan?
No, it is a birthday party in a hall of about 100 people. So sabi yung other branch spokesperson of Sakin County, sabi niya na they strongly believe that this is a targeted shooting. With all the assessment that they did, they believe that it is targeted. So, at saka back mo target this children. So it is very sad kasi children are supposed to have fun, but now 3 children are dead and 1 adult, ang babata.
Yes. Yun nga ma'am, kung targeted po ito, mga parang children's party po yung mga ando na marami po mga bata po ang siyang biktima po with this kind of violence po, Ma'am Marisa.
Oh, siguro alam mo na kung it's just an assessment na kung galit ka sa tao, mas masakin yung mga nakatirahin mo, that's really evil. Pero this is what the authorities are saying, na that's the reason why sabi ni District Attorney Ron Fritas na they urge the shooter to turn themselves in. Whatever that's their way, hopefully that normally within few days or sometimes kung pag tirahin lahat ng mga law enforcement, merong police department, merong sheriff department and FBI will get involved. The sooner that they active all resources to find the shooter, the better it is. So I'm hoping na magkakaroon ng may arrest soon.